now start with lesson 2, a la cafeteria, in the canteen. So in this chapter we'll learn about the plural of nouns, a few more exceptions and rules, and we will learn about the second group of verbs, which is the IR group of verbs. So first we will start with the plural of nouns. So as we have discussed before, how do we make a noun plural in French? We make it by adding an S, just like English. So for example, look at the words that they have given here. If it is le garçon, it becomes les garçons with an S. Or if it was un garçon, will change to they and garçon with an S. Le bonbon, les bonbons with an S. A bonbon will become des bonbons with an S. La will become les, une becomes they, and the noun will take a S in the plural. Or if it was le or le will change to les, will become they, and the noun will take an S. And same thing happens in case of L apostrophe also. L apostrophe changes to les in plural. So l'homme becomes les hommes. Now this was the simple one. Now there were exceptions that we did. So we did 2 exceptions previously. So the nouns which end with S, X or Z in their singular form remain the same in their plural form. So for example, la croix, which is a cross, you have to convert it into plural. La will become les, une will change to they if it was indefinite article, and croix will remain the same. Le nez, which is a nose, becomes les nez. So you will not add another S in any of these instances. Then nouns ending in EAU or EU will take an X in plural. So we did le gâteau will become les gâteaux with an X. Le feu, which is a fire, will become les feux. Some more examples that we had looked at was, for example, le bateau, which means a boat. So this, if I have to make it plural, becomes les bateaux. Le chapeau, which is a hat, becomes les chapeaux. Or instead of le, if it was a, this would become they and chapeau with an X. However, there are certain exceptions to this rule. So for example, the color blue, bleu, B-L-E-U, it ends with EU, but in plural it takes an S and not an X. Then le ne, so it again takes an S in plural, not an X. So you have to memorize these exceptions as well. Then the next one is nouns ending in OU. So nouns which end in OU also take an X in plural and not an S. So look at le bijou, which means jewelry. So le changes to les and bijou will take an X in plural and not an S. Then comes le hibou, which is an owl, become les hiboux. So it will take an X in plural and not an S. So these are exceptions. So remember it like this: nouns which end in EAU and EU change to X in the plural, and nouns which end with OU also change to X in plural and not an S. The exceptions are also mentioned. So it is important that you memorize the exceptions as well, because in the exam they will definitely test you on these exceptions as well. The next one is nouns ending in AL. So journal, signal, cheval, all of these, animal, they take an X in plural. So AL will change to AUX. So for example, a animal, which is an animal, it is ending in AL, it will change to AUX in plural. Des animaux. A journal, or we can even use the definite article le journal, becomes les journaux. So AL changes to AUX in plural, but as always there are exceptions which they have mentioned. So for example, a carnival becomes Le Carnaval with an S. So it ends with AL but it does not take AUX in the plural. So it is important that you memorize these exceptions as well. A recital, de recital. So it ends with AL but it takes an S in plural and it will not change to AUX. So it is important that you memorize these rules along with their exceptions. Exceptions are always asked in the exam. We will now study the second group of verbs, which is the IR group of verbs. So let's take for example the verb choisir, which means to choose. In this particular instance, we will cancel the IR. So we are left with CHOIS. We will write it everywhere. Now for IR group of verbs with je, I will add IS, tu IS, il and L, it will be IT, IT. With nu, it is ISSONS, vu ISSEZ, il ISSENT, and L also ISSENT. So these are your endings: IS, IT, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT, ISSENT. So the way to pronounce this would be je choisis, tu choisis, il choisit, elle choisit, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, il choisit, elle choisit. So remember, for IR group of verbs, cancel the IR, add IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. Let's take the verb punir, to punish. So we will cancel the IR. We are left with PUN. We will copy it everywhere. Now I will add the endings: IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT, ISSENT. So when you look at these endings, you should be able to recognize that it's an IR ending verb. So for example, in the exam, if they give you puni, il puni, and they just give you this much and they ask you to give the infinitive of the verb, by looking at IT, you should be able to recognize that it's an IR ending verb. So you should know it should be PUN and then it should be IR. So learn to recognize the different endings of ER ending verbs and IR ending verbs. So once again I will repeat: for IR ending verbs, we cancel the IR, we add IS, IT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, ISSENT. In the textbook, they have given you a list of IR ending verbs. Please memorize the meaning of all these verbs. It would be helpful for you in your unseen comprehension as well as in your grammar section. I will now translate the comprehension for you. Anish and Manuel finished les exercices. Anish and Manuel finished the exercises. Ensuite, ils vont à la cafétéria. Next, they go to the cafeteria. La cafétéria de l'école est grande. The cafeteria of the school is big. Il y a des gâteaux, des pains au chocolat, des bonbons, des tartines, des glaces, du jus de fruits, etc. There are some cakes, some chocolate bread, some sweets, some toasts, some ice cream, some fruit juice, etc. Caroline est déjà dans la cafétéria. Caroline is already in the cafeteria. Elle commande une limonade et des frites. She orders a lemonade and some fries. Manuel choisit un pain au chocolat et un jus de fruits. Manuel chooses a chocolate bread and some fruit juice. Anish choisit une glace. Anish chooses an ice cream. Ils ne mangent pas beaucoup. They do not eat a lot. Ils mangent plus volontiers à la maison pendant le dîner. They eat more willingly at the house during dinner. Le serveur remplit les verres d'eau fraîche, puis il apporte des plats. The server or the waiter refills the fresh glass of water, then he brings the plates or the dishes. Les elves finissent le repas et ils rentrent à la classe. The students finish the meal and they return to the class. Now we will look at the exercises. Anish and Manuel vont. So Anish and Manuel, they go to the cafeteria. So your answer is à la cafeteria. La cafeteria is big or small? It is mentioned that it is big. So your answer is A, grande. Manuel choisit. Manuel chooses. So it is mentioned here. Then Manuel chooses a chocolate bread and a fruit juice. So your option would be un pain au chocolat. À la cafeteria, il y a. So in the cafeteria, there are some textbooks and notebooks or some cakes and sweets. So it is mentioned des gâteaux et des bonbons. So that would be your answer. Then we have to fill these blanks with a word from the comprehension. So les enfants dash les devoirs. The children dash the homework. So it makes sense that we write the verb finish. So finis. F-I-N-I-S-S-E-N-T. So your answer would be that. Ma chambre est dash et claire. My room is dash and clear. So again it's ma chambre, it's feminine. So grande école is also feminine. So your answer is G-R-A-N-D-E. Elle dash la tasse et elle boit. She dash the cup and she drinks. So your answer could be she brings the cup and she drinks. So your answer could be apporte. A-P-P-O-R-T-E. Les filles dash à la maison à 5 heures. The girls dash at the house at 5 o'clock. So you can say they return. So rentre. R-E-N-T-R-E-N-T. Dash, le dash apporte les plats. The dash brings the dishes. So you can write le serveur brings the dishes. Now we have to find the opposites. Now commencer means to begin. So if you know in English to begin, the opposite would be to end or to finish. So your answer. Now these are the infinitives. So you have to write the answer also in infinitive. So your answer would be finir. F-I-N-I-R. Petite is small. So this is a feminine singular adjective. So your opposite also has to be feminine singular. So the answer is grande. G-R-A-N-D-E. Dehors means outside. So inside or in would be dans. D-A-N-S. And now the questions. Que mange Caroline? What does Caroline eat? So Caroline mange eats une or you can't say she eats a limonade, but you can say she orders or eats une limonade et des frites, some fries. Les enfants, quand mangent-ils bien? The children, when do they eat well? So you can write the children, les enfants mangent bien pendant le dîner, during the dinner, pendant le dîner. We will now look at the translation of this particular page 29. So, c'est la rentrée. Manuel et ses copains ont une nouvelle institutrice. La rentrée is basically the beginning of the new school year. Manuel and his friends have a new school teacher. Bonjour les élèves. Good morning students. Je suis la nouvelle institutrice. I am the new teacher. Bonjour madame. Good morning ma'am. Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? Je m'appelle Mariana. Je suis espagnol. My name is Mariana. I am Spanish. J'enseigne les maths. I teach maths. Vous avez quel âge? How old are you? J'ai 30 ans. I am 30 years. Où habitez-vous? Where do you stay? J'habite à Madrid. I stay in Madrid. Vous parlez combien de langues? How many languages do you speak? Je parle 3 langues. Je parle espagnol, anglais et français. I speak 3 languages. I speak Spanish, English and French. Vous êtes marié? Are you married? Oui, je suis marié. Yes, I am married. Combien d'enfants avez-vous? How many children do you have? Ooh la la, vous parlez beaucoup. Oh, ooh la la is just like okay, like ooh la la. Vous parlez beaucoup, you speak a lot. We will now look at the exercises which are there. So the first one is you just have to fill it with the articles. So I will do 1 or 2 of that. J'aime dash chocolat et dash bonbon. So chocolat is masculine singular, so your answer is le, and bonbon is with an S, so your answer is les, les. Dash étudiant parle anglais. So this étudiant is feminine. So had it been indefinite article, your answer would have been une, U-N-E, because étudiant is with an E. But in case of definite article, it will be L apostrophe. Dash gomme et rose. So gomme is an eraser. It is feminine, so your answer is la. The next exercise, you have to fill it with indefinite articles. Viola dash stilo a dash crayon. So stilo is masculine singular, so your answer would be a, and crayon is with an S, so your answer would be they. Say dash robe a say dash jupe. So robe and jupe both are feminine, so your answer would be une and une. The next one is we have to conjugate the verbs in the present tense. These are all IR ending verbs. So with je, it would be finir, would be F-I-N-I-S. Manual, choisir. So manual, replace it with a pronoun il. So your answer would be choisit. Tu with finir, F-I-N-I-S. L'enfant, grandir. So l'enfant, if you replace it with a pronoun il, grandir conjugation would be G-R-A-N-D-I-T. Les fruits. So the fruits, if we replace it with a pronoun they, so it would be ILS. So grossir, your answer would be G-R-O-S-S-I-S-S-E-N-T. L reusir, so your answer would be R-E-U-S-S-I-S-S-E-N-T. Avni dash maigrir. So Avni, if we replace it with a pronoun, it would be L. So your answer would be M-A-I-G-R-I-T. Les elves dash obir. So obir, in case of les elves, if you replace it with a pronoun, it would be they, which is ILS. So your answer would be O-B-E-Aiguë-I-S-S-E-N-T. Les pommes rougir. So les pommes, the apples, if you replace it with a pronoun they, E-L-L-E-S, because it's a feminine plural noun, so your answer would be R-O-U-G-I-S-S-E-N-T. Nous dash choisir. So your conjugation of choisir with nous is C-H-O-I-S-I-S-S-O-N-S. The next one is we have to put the nouns in the plural form. So be careful about the exceptions. So for example, le ne, the plural will be les ne. Le shower, les shower. Shower with an X. EU endings will take an X. L'oiseau, L apostrophe oiseau will become les oiseaux. Oiseau with an X in plural. Le travail, which is the work. So le travail will change to les travaux. AIL changes to AUX. L'animal, L apostrophe animal will become les animaux. LES-ANIMAUX. Le journal, les journaux. JOURNAUX. So le coup will become les coups. So with an S. So So even though it ends with OU, it will not take an X in plural, it takes an S. Then there's a dialogue that they have given which we have to complete. Anish, bonjour, une table pour deux, s'il vous plaît. So a table, table, T-A-B-L-E, for two, s'il vous plaît, which is please. Le serveur, Viola Monsieur, there it is, sir, a free table. So Monsieur, M-O-N-S-I-E-U-R. Vous désirez, you wish, so V-O-U-S, vous désirez. Anish, je voudrais un jus de fruits. I would like a fruit juice. So J-U-S, jus de fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Et un pain au chocolat, a chocolate bread. P-A-I-N au chocolat. Le serveur, et pour vous, mademoiselle, and for you, Miss Caroline, je voudrais une glace. I would like an ice cream. Et des bonbons and some candies. Le serveur, ça fait 15 euros. That would be 15 euros. Now we will look at the last exercise, which is putting it in plural, mete or pluriel. So if you remember, je changes to nu, tu changes to vous, il changes to ils in plural, and elle will change to elles. You will change the conjugation also accordingly, and you will change your articles, and you will make your nouns also plural. So let's look at the first example. Je choisis une glace. I choose an ice cream. So your answer would be je becomes nu. You will accordingly change the conjugation. This is choisir, to choose. And une glace will become. Next one is le livre est rouge. So le changes to le. Livre with an S. EST will change to son. The book is red. The books are red. And rouge with an S. She has a notebook. Elle a un cahier. So L will change to L with an S, plural. A is the conjugation of the verb avoir. We will change it to ONT to match with ELLES. A changes to they, and cahier with an S. Tu finis le chocolat. You finish the chocolate. Tu will change to vous. We will change the conjugation accordingly. Le becomes le, and chocolat with an S. Il finit le gâteau. He finishes the cake. Il becomes ILS. We will change the conjugation of finir accordingly. Le will become le, and gâteau also we will make it plural. C'est un journal. This is a newspaper. C'est will change to ce sont. We have done this concept in book number 1. A will become they, and journal will become journaux. La fille regarde l'homme. The girl watches the man. So the girl, la fille, will become les filles. We will change the conjugation accordingly. L'homme becomes les hommes. L'étudiant parle français. The student speaks French. So the student will become the students. Les étudiants. You will change the conjugation. And French remains the same because we don't make it French with an S. Français. I go and he goes. Je vais et il va. So je will become nous. This is the conjugation of the verb aller. So nous there would be allons. So nous allons, a, il will become ils, and the corresponding conjugation is vont. So nous allons et ils vont. And the last one is l'homme aime le gâteau. The man likes the cake. So l'homme will become les hommes, aime. Le gâteau will become les gâteaux, x. So this is how we will make sentences into plural. Do not forget to change the conjugation also, and you will have to learn to recognize the endings. So if it is ending in is, then you should know that it's an ir ending verb, and then accordingly change the conjugation according to the subject pronouns which are there. So this finishes our lesson 2. Thank you.